Hey, how's everyone doing out there? So I'm doing a quick little video. I've decided I want to get the Takeda cold air intake for this car, but I'm not sure how to get it. I went to order it, and then it told me that you can't get it if you live in California, and they won't ship it there either. So I know a lot of you guys have it. I've seen it. I just want to get your guys' opinion. Like, is there a way to get it here, or do I have to physically go pick it up somewhere? I mean, the closest spot to me is like Nevada is not too far, but I want to get your guys' opinion. I really like this one. I've checked your guys' reviews out on it, and it seems like a really good one. Keeping that OEM look and giving you a little bit more sound and keeping the intake temperatures down. So I want to throw that out there. Hopefully you guys can shed some light on it, help me out. Appreciate it. Hope everyone's doing good. If you haven't, please hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate that. And I'll get back to you guys if you leave comments. And I'll have another video coming in a couple days. So hope everyone's staying safe out there. And I will talk to you guys later. Thanks again, everybody.